A warm welcome to you to my channel Dr. Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to understand the benefits of being authentic. In the previous video, we have understood how can we really become authentic person. And when you really become authentic and by live your own terms, not by the expectations of others, live your own life truly, not wearing any mask or facade. Live by your own motivations, your own experiences, your own thoughts. That gives you authenticity. And by being a more authentic person, you can really develop a strong sense of self, because we are living by our own standards, not by anybody else's dictation, not under the opinions and not under the judgments and not under the expectations of others. That makes us, self-worthy. Okay. We become more assertive, calm, and controlled. We need not get bothered all the time. We need not get shaken by the judgments of others. We become more authentic. We become more calmer. We can become more controlled. We can express our dissatisfaction. We can negate things. We can, criticize others. We can stop others from invading our lives in a more calm and strong and controlled manner. That's what being authentic gives you. You can command authority and respect. People always try to control others, but internally they respect, they idealize people who are authentic, who stand by their own values, who lead lives by their own terms. People just admire them. They may not admit it openly. And if you are that authentic person, then you will command all the authority and respect of others. You can be more purposeful and have an active sense as opposed to just being passive. You feel more wanted. You feel more purposeful. You feel that you are an active participant in this world, not just a passive being. You can say you can learn to live life, not just existing in this world. You start living a more purposeful, more actively pursued life, which is all yours. That is what authenticity and being authentic can do to you. Okay. Next, you feel empowered, capable, and proud of yourself. Obviously, you are living your life all by yourself. You are not wearing any mask. You are not living up to the expectations of others. Naturally, you will have that respect for yourself. You will have that, empowerment. You feel empowered. You really feel authentic by living your life and for living your life for yourself. Okay. Next, capacity. You can build a capacity to undo the negative effects of oppression by conforming to the standards of others, judgments of others, opinions of others, expectations of others. What happens is, like, we start suppressing all our own feelings, which makes us so very worthless from within. And when you start being authentic, when you start living your life on your own terms, you can really undo all that oppression, all the negative impact of that oppression and suppression that is on your mind. You feel free. You feel light from within. You start healing. You start, being your own true self. That way you can really undo all those negative impacts of that prolonged suppression and oppression. Okay, and you can better cope with adversities and fulfill your aspirations. If you feel authentic, if you learn being authentic, you can really do whatever you want to do with your life, not by the standards of others. Okay, so you can better cope with adversities. I'm not saying like authenticity gives you all success. No, living by our own way, our own thoughts, our own ideologies, our own motivations, all the time they may not lead us, or they may not give us success. We may end up as failures. We may face lots of negative impacts. But if you are authentic, if you are true to yourself, you will have that power, you will have that strength to accept all those failures, all those adversities. You will have that inspiration to live by your own terms and conditions. That is the strength being authentic gives you. Okay, so in total, you can have an overall satisfaction of self, an overall satisfaction over life, and an overall sense of well-being, overall sense of freedom. That is what you can really enjoy. These are the different benefits of being authentic. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please do share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.